This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups and pretty scary alerts that are related to the website Mypcdefenderplus.site. This is a scary and pretty deceptive alert that attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you scared about the condition of your computer in order to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. Do not ever interact with these deceptive pop-ups, and keep in mind that they are the consequences of certain adware enabled in your computer. So if you see these scary alerts on your computer screen, do not interact with them, just leave this deceptive page. I also recommend that you carefully investigate the system with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other threats which could possibly still remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.